Facebook is amongst those platforms which are great for socializing with friends, relatives and our loved ones. But with this, we also come across stalkers on the platform, and for that reason, Facebook introduced its profile lock feature, under which the people only within our friend list are allowed to view what we post in our profile. However, sometimes we might feel to post something that needs to reach a wider audience, and for that to happen, we need to unlock our Facebook profile. So, how to unlock Facebook profile? So, we will find out exactly that in this video. Follow the steps to unlock your Facebook profile. Open your Facebook app and tap on your profile photo in the upper left corner. You will find 3 horizontal dots just beside the Edit Profile option. Tap on it. Once the profile setting opens, tap on Unlock Profile. After tapping on Unlock Profile, a page will open mentioning the current status of the locked profile. Tap on the Open Lock icon which says Unlock. After tapping on that, you will again be redirected to a new page. There you will see another option, Unlock Your Profile. Click on it. Once done, you will see a prompt on your screen. Click on OK to complete the process. That's it. With this process, you can easily unlock your profile. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any doubt, comment down below.